Welcome to Creative Homeschooling Science Series. Stop Earth.
Have you ever thought about what happens if our Earth stops spinning? Then let's have a look at an interesting story by the famous science fiction author H.G. Wells. In this famous story by H.G. Wells, the man who could work miracles, a normal clerk named Fadalinge, gets a miraculous gift of making any wish that he expressed come true instantly. One day he thinks of prolonging the night. He orders to stop all the stars in their places. But it doesn't work. So, his friend suggests to stop the moon. But Father Linge decides to order the earth to stop rotating so that he doesn't harm the outer space. He buttons up his jacket and orders the earth to stop. In the next instant, he was flying through air at a great speed. He wishes to get down safely and comes down without being hurt. He sees animals, trees, cars, and even houses flying away due to vast wind. After an instant, he sees a great rolling of wind and water filled at the sky. He understands that his miracle is the reason for all this. Everything be just as it was before he made his wish, and also wishes that he loses his dangerously miraculous power. So, what happened? What went wrong? The Earth's rotation is fastest at the equator and is about 1,000 miles per hour. That is roughly 1,600 kilometers per hour. If that rotation suddenly stops, the momentum will send everything flying. Moving water, rocks, and soil will trigger earthquakes, tsunamis, and the still moving atmosphere will wipe out everything. So, let us all make a wish. May our Mother Earth spin forever. I hope you liked the video and I will come up again with another interesting science story in my next video. Please do like and subscribe if you would like to follow my science stories.